Hi kiddos! This is the warm-up 2-3 dilate triangles. So this is a lot like dilate points from the other lesson that we just did, but this one is just dilating 3 points. So what does that mean? So what that means is we are going to take and we are going to listen to the words here. It says, draw the image of triangle under a dilation whose center is P. So that means P is the spot you're counting from and whose scale factor is 4. So right now from P to A is 1 space. 1 times 4 is 4. So you're going to go 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make a dot right there. Okay? Let me make that a little bigger so that we can all see it. I'm going to change the color too. I want it to be pink. Okay, so we're going to make it a pink dot. Now we're going to do point B. So from P to B is 1 space. You need to do the scale factor of 4. So you're going to go 1 times 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make another dot there. And finally, you have to do the third dot. So from P to C is 2 spaces. And 2 times 4 is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have a dot here. So what happens is you just move each of the dots and then you connect these lines. And so you end up with a shape that looks like this. And that is 4 times. That is a 4 times with a dilation of 4, scale factor of 4. Okay, let's look at this one. This one says the center is P, that's our dilation point, and the scale factor is halfway. So this time what we're doing is we're counting up and over just like we did for the last lesson, or left and up, either way. So let's start with B, 1, 2 to the left and 1, 2 up. Well, you take half of each of those, so half of 2 is 1 and half of 2 is 1, and you make a dot. Then over here to C, it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, and to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Half of 4 is 2, and half of 4 is 2. So you're going to go down 2 and to the right 2. And just like on the last lesson, these dots are all in a line, okay? Over here, for point A, we're counting from P to A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half of 4 is 2, and half of 8 is 4. So we're going to go up 2 and to the right 4, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make a dot right there. So now what you do is you take, these lines are going to be connected, just like before. And again, that's what it looks like. See, these lines are parallel. That's how you know you did it right. These lines are parallel. That's how you know you did it right. Okay, 2 more examples. This time we're going from point P, which is over here. And this is a scale factor of 1/3. So we're going to draw the image of a triangle ABC under a dilation whose center is P and scale factor is 1/3. Okay, so we're 1/3 of the way. So here I'm going to go from P to A. It's down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/3 of 3 is 1, or 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1/3 of 6 is 2. So I'm going to go down 1, left 1, 2. And so it looks like that. Now I'm going to do B. So from P to B, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left. So 6 up and 9 to the left. So 1/3 of 6 is 2, and 1/3 of 9 is 3. So up 2 and left 1, 2, 3. So that we're going to draw another dot right there. And finally, from P to C. So P to C is 1, 2, 3 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, we're doing a third. So a third of 3 is 1, and the third of 9 is 3. So we're going to the right 1 and up 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put that right there. And these dots should be connected to each other. This time P is not on the shape, so it's just going to look like this. And that's what that looks like, okay? Now, as we talked about, these are all on a line, so if I went up 3 over 1, if I did it again, up 3 over 1, I would have another dot right here. And if I went up 3 over 1, I'd be a straight line. So that's how you know you did it right. I went up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, and finally up 2. Ooh, did I make a mistake? Up 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 2. One more down. Up 2 over 3, and then finally up 2 over 3. So that's all in a straight line. And here, down 1 over 2. And then if I went down 1 over 2, and then down 1 over 2, those are all in a straight line. That's how you can check your work. Okay, let's look at this one. This is a scale factor of 1/4, and point P is right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 up. A fourth of 4 is 1, so I'm going to go from P, 1 up. And then from P to B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces, a fourth of 4 is 1, so 1 down is my new point. Then from P to C is 4 down because we just counted, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And a fourth of 12 is 3. So it's 1 down, 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, and your new point is just going to look like this. Oops. So that's what that looks like. Okay, this is Dilate Triangles, and so good luck. All right, kiddos.